Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add a brightness slider to Windows 10. Open any web browser. Copy the URL from the description and paste it to browser search bar. Click here to download. Double-click the downloaded file. Brightness slider is added to your taskbar. Now you can change the brightness. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.